This project was based around redefining my pixel design. For this design, we looked at covering different aspects, including allowing the LED to shine from both front and back of the pixel. This created reflections on other pixels and a different lighting feature. Other things we looked at was the structure and how it would actually be connected now. So we've gone from an individual pixel to now a wall. And other things we had to look at was cable management and just the whole structure and materials.
So I worked on the LEDs, and at first we had trouble kind of connecting them together in terms of in each individual pixel, but we worked out a way where the cords would actually be covered by the back part of the pixel, and then using a cross pattern, we could actually double the amount of pixels within each individual one. So therefore we could get the colors coming out at the front and also at the back rather than just the front itself.
The structure of the pixel is constructed out of 5 pieces of acrylic plastic. It's very cost and time efficient because there's only 5 pieces and it's easily put together. Yep.
About the teamwork, we did really good in terms of teamwork. We collaborate well, we set up Facebook group, we talked through emails and phones, and everyone came and contributed time, and the team management was amazing.
We had a couple of problems with the pixel though. Me and Dan did the grasshopper, and we created these connections using basically T pieces and pins. And in the grasshopper they fit okay, but we found that we needed to double the pixel size every time if we wanted to tessellate them properly, unlike some of the other groups. But when we made it, we found that it wasn't structurally sound, so we had to compromise for that.
Oh, and the way we compromised it was through our individual works, because in the end we had to come up with different ways of trying to identify the wall and find other ways to use the wall rather than just from the group itself. And then I guess in the end we can just talk about. So as an individual wall, mine, I tried to fix a structural sense. Instead of attaching each pixel to a bridge joint, I'd rather just inset each pixel into a main wall. So therefore the pixels would rely on the structure of the wall rather than just the individual parts connecting each one.
And overall, I found we worked quite well. We did all go our own individual ways. That's the main thing that we sort of drifted off, and we tried to redefine it in our own little ways. But with all that in mind, we did pretty well.